I wanted to die. Some mornings I awakened and experienced a few seconds of peace before remembering what had happened. Then reality would rush into me like a cold wind. My baby girl was dead. My life had become a pause, a question mark, a purgatory waiting for an explanation. My husband Brad rented a yacht for us to cruise across the Indian Ocean. Had he chosen a sailing trip to help me confront my fear of the water? Or was it something else? If I didn't pull myself together, I would lose my job, my marriage, my sanity. I had to go. So we sailed from Bali into the vast Indian Ocean. Out there, hundreds of miles from land, I began to heal. Maybe I could learn to be happy again. Then Brad fell ill, and the ocean showed us its awesome power. Blue water sailing was treacherous, not for the faint of heart. Danger loomed everywhere, a monsoon, lightning, a shark, those damn doldrums. Brad's violent temper. But the deadliest threat may be something I can't see. What's going on? Oh my God. Furious, Sailing into Terror by Jeffrey James Higgins. Published by Black Rose Writing. Available at Amazon and Barnes & Noble.